Good morning. It's Tuesday, October 17th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Nothing going on the radar. I even have the satellite overlay here, not showing much cloud cover as well. So mainly clear skies across the state and cool temperatures as we get started. We have 40s everywhere except for 3 reporting stations showing up here on the board. 52 down in Bainbridge. Alma's at 50 and Brunswick is at 55. A few other spots right around 50 in South Georgia, but for the most part, we are cool in those 40s all across the state of Georgia. Let's take a look at the tropical outlook. For the next 48 hours, we have about a 50% chance of that storm system right there in the middle of the Atlantic developing into a named storm. That'll become Tropical Storm Tammy, and we're seeing a lot more definition today compared to yesterday, but it looks like as soon as that storm actually gets some organization, the upper air is just going to mess with it. We're going to have a lot of wind shear, and it's going to fall apart. So possibly by Friday into the weekend, this storm system is completely off the board. So not looking at any problems whatsoever with the Orange X. But if that changes, of course, I'll let you know. Let's take a look at our modeling as we move through the morning hours. Not a lot going on. We're going to see lots of sunshine today. Going to be a cool afternoon, but that sunshine will help us out just a bit. We move through the evening hours. Still pretty quiet. Not expecting any rain across the state. Tomorrow, we'll have a little bit more cloud cover, although we're going to be a little bit warmer as well. So another day of enough sunshine will help warm us up as we move through your Wednesday. And then Thursday, going to start to pick up a little bit of a breeze in North Georgia. Frontal system is going to start to push through, and that's going to bring some showers popping up. It doesn't really show much here on the modeling, but I do think we're going to see a couple of showers well ahead of that main line start to pop up in Atlanta, Gainesville, Rome, Cleveland, Toccoa as we move into Thursday evening, and then that frontal system passes through on Friday, so a good chance of showers throughout the state. That system will actually move out to the Atlantic, turn into a low pressure, and then move up as a nor'easter, basically, up into the northeast. So that's going to bring some interesting weather for the folks up in the northeast United States. Maybe a little bit of snowfall again. By the way, we had some snowfall from the Great Smoky Mountains yesterday afternoon. So that was our first snow here in the southeast, and we're just in the middle of October. So if you can believe it, already seeing some winter weather beginning to move in. But no winter weather for us here in the state of Georgia over the next couple of days, it doesn't look like. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Here's your local forecast now from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.